So this morning we're out for a bit of a walk in Chiang Mai Old Town because we're coming here to do some prayers and explore some of the temples here. So we've got some flowers. We've been to the flower market this morning already, and yes, I'm going to show you the temples as we go and which ones we're actually exploring here. Okay, let's go. So the first temple we're checking out is this one, and you often see this one on the night markets. So the night markets here on Sundays. Oh, okay, yeah. So the night markets here, you often walk past this temple during the evening, but we're coming here during the daytime period. See the city pillar? Anne's just doing stuff with prayers, but it's a very beautiful sort of temple here. It's history behind it. It's just generally overly beautiful. But I'm going to take you for a bit of a walk around here and explore. So this temple I'm about to enter, only men can actually go into this one. So I'm going to show you guys inside it now. So of course you've got to take off your shoes. You've got to love the beautiful artwork in here. Just look at it. Absolutely spectacular in here. Just the detail and design in this place. Just look at the roof. It's beautiful. So there's people praying in here right now, so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet. But yeah, we'll go outside now and look at the rest of the temples, but this one is for men only to come in and pray. Now, this temple here seems to be under some sort of renovations. It's been under renovations since we've been visiting, so you can't currently go inside it. But they are doing a bit of work. But it is beautiful on the outside, so I'll be excited to see what it actually looks like once they finish it. Whatever they're actually working on. Well, there you go, they're doing some upgrades to it. So let's continue to walk around and explore this temple complex. Now in this temple complex there is toilets. So if you need to go to the toilet, there's toilets there to the left. And look at this. This sort of prayer area here. It's all in gold. I think what people do, they get gold leaf. They put it on these various icons and they do prayers. Now this temple, when I look at it, it's just, yeah, this one's an old part of it, but it's just beautiful. Actually, Anne was funny this morning. She goes to me, yes, we're going to one of the old temples in Chiang Mai. And I go, yeah, that narrows it down. There's like so many of the bloody old temples here that, yeah, it does narrow it down to like a million different temples and ruins and things. But just look behind me. Look at this temple. Now this is a piece of history, but I'm going to show it to you in a bit more detail now. So of course people come here to pray. They have been doing some work on this temple, I think restoration stuff as well. But yeah, just look at the size of it. Beautiful design. Look at these sort of statues on the outside as well. Just beautiful. And of course you got the back of this temple here that no one's allowed in because it's a construction site. One thing I never got the purpose for is why is it this big steep sort of slope going up to the temple? Or was it originally stairs that they actually walked up? I don't really get this part. I thought it wouldn't have made sense to have some stairs going up, but yeah, but it looks like under the concrete there may have been stairs there at one stage going up to this temple. Just look at these bells. I always love the design of these bells. Just that sound that they actually make. Sort of like very meditative. I love it. Another thing about these temples, or just walking here in the morning when there's not much tourists here, it's actually super peaceful. And all you're hearing is birds going off, the odd people walking by, because it's early in the morning. We're coming here like 8 something in the morning on a weekday. So not very many people around. It's a good time to come because it's not crowded. You can take some good photos. You can just relax. You can meditate, go do your prayers. Just really beautiful time to come. There's a lot of buildings in this complex as well. I'm guessing where there's probably Buddhist teachings going on, because I can see a lot of Buddhist monks walking around. And yeah, it's probably a monastery here as well. I'm not sure on all those things. I'm just doing a bit of guesswork there. But anyway, let's continue to walk around and show you some of the beauty of the temples here. One thing I love about this temple, it's the same design as you're going around. Exactly the same. It's like it's been, yeah, designed very Pacific. But that top area is very interesting. It looks like it has been damaged a little bit. But I wonder what was originally up the top there. But here's another temple. Let's just go in and have a look at this one as well. So we're just going to walk into this temple here. Again, these dragons. Love the design. This complex itself has a lot of sort of small temples in it. As you can see, this one's a bit more traditional. Now, I'm not going to go too far inside it, but yeah, it has just a beautiful Buddhist structure there for people to come and do their prayers or meditate. And here you do have a nice, beautiful Buddhist structure here. The reclining Buddha. Again, if you're going to go inside here for prayers, it's about taking your shoes off. But this is a beautiful area again. And it looks like here there's some restoration work going on. And over here there's another one of the traditionally built sort of prayer areas. There's another place for prayers. And I've taken my shoes off so I could just come inside here and film, so I give you guys a closer look at the actual Buddha here. And the design. Always so beautiful, these temples. For those that do want to do meditation or talk with the monks and things like that, there is meditations here on Sunday, you can see. So over here, there's at the meeting hall, 8 AM. So meditation retreat schedule, 8:30. Morning chanting, 9 AM, meditation training, walking meditation, sitting meditation. And 10 to 11 you have Dharma discussion, and 11 AM lunchtime. So on Sundays there is a bit of a meditation retreat that actually occurs here.